Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my eating habits to make healthy eating a reality by 2025. Eating healthy is something we all know we should be doing, but it can be tough to make it a priority. With so many demands on our time and energy, it's easy to let healthy habits fall by the wayside. But the truth is, nutrition is the foundation of a happy, healthy life. When we fuel our bodies with the right foods, we have more energy, we feel more focused, and we're better equipped to take on whatever life throws our way. So why is it that so many of us struggle to make healthy eating a reality? I think it's because we often view healthy eating as a chore, something that requires a lot of time and effort. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good pizza or a juicy burger every now and then? But the thing is, healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. With the right mindset and the right strategies, healthy eating can be easy, enjoyable, and even empowering. The benefits of healthy eating are countless, from reducing our risk of chronic diseases to boosting our mood and energy levels. And yet, so many of us struggle to make it a part of our daily routine. But I'm here to tell you that it's worth it. Every single bite, every single meal, is an opportunity to nourish our bodies and take care of ourselves. So, let's get real for a second. How many of us have found ourselves standing in front of the fridge at 9 p.m., staring blankly at the shelves, with no idea what to make for dinner? Or scrolling through social media, feeling like everyone else has their healthy eating game on point, while we're over here struggling to get our act together? Yeah, I've been there too. One of the biggest obstacles to healthy eating is simply not knowing where to start. With so many conflicting diet trends and nutrition advice out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Do I go vegan? Should I try keto? What's the deal with gluten, anyway? It's enough to make your head spin. And then there's the issue of time. Let's face it, we're all busy. Between work, family, and social commitments, it can be hard to find the time to plan, shop, and cook healthy meals. And when we're short on time, it's easy to reach for convenient, processed foods that do more harm than good. Another big obstacle is the sheer amount of choices we have. With so many restaurants, meal delivery services, and grocery stores vying for our attention, it's easy to feel like we're drowning in options. And when we're faced with too many choices, it's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis, unable to make a decision at all. But what if I told you that there's a way to simplify healthy eating, to make it easy, enjoyable, and even empowering? What if I told you that I've discovered some simple, actionable strategies that can help you make healthy eating a breeze, no matter how busy or overwhelmed you feel? For me, the breakthrough moment came when I realized that healthy eating isn't about perfection, it's about progress. It's about making small, incremental changes that add up over time. It's about finding what works for you, and making healthy eating a part of your daily routine. One of the strategies that has totally transformed my approach to healthy eating is meal prep. Now, I know what you're thinking, meal prep sounds boring, time-consuming, and just plain overwhelming. But trust me, it's a total game changer. By taking just a few hours out of my weekend to plan, shop, and prep my meals for the week, I've been able to save time, reduce stress, and make healthy eating a breeze. Another strategy that has been a total lifesaver for me is keeping things simple. I used to feel like I needed to make these elaborate, Instagram-worthy meals in order to be healthy. But the truth is, healthy eating is about nourishing your body, not impressing your social media followers. By keeping things simple, I've been able to focus on what really matters, fueling my body with the right foods, rather than trying to create some elaborate showstopper. By implementing these simple strategies, I've been able to transform my approach to healthy eating, and make it a breeze. And the best part is, these strategies aren't just limited to me, they can work for anyone, no matter how busy or overwhelmed you feel. So, if you're feeling stuck, like healthy eating is just out of reach, I want to assure you that it's not. With the right mindset and the right strategies, healthy eating can be easy, enjoyable, and even empowering. And the benefits are well worth it. In summary, making healthy eating a breeze is all about finding what works for you, and making small, incremental changes that add up over time. It's about keeping things simple, meal prepping, and finding joy in the process. By implementing these strategies, you can make healthy eating a reality, no matter how busy or overwhelmed you feel. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're struggling with healthy eating, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of the obstacles you're facing, and how are you overcoming them? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content, and let's make healthy eating a breeze together.